Take a seat. Let's talk about believing in yourself. People often say, you just need to believe in yourself. That sounds simple, right? But what if you spent years believing everything except the truth? What if rejection convinced you that you weren't enough? And what if disappointment made you question your purpose, or that criticism became louder than your own voice? For many of us, the problem isn't that we don't want to believe in ourselves. It's that we've believed lies for so long that they started to feel like truth. I know, because I lived it. I didn't learn this lesson once. I learned it over and over again. There were days I believed what God said about me. Then there were other days when old thoughts returned and tried to convince me that nothing had changed. So I went back to the truth again and again and again. Until one day I realized something. The truth had settled within me. It wasn't something I was trying to remember anymore. It had become something I knew. Healing doesn't happen because we repeat positive words. Healing happens when God's truth replaces every lie we've carried. Little by little, moment by moment, conversation by conversation, the truth becomes stronger than the lie. So today, my friend, don't pressure yourself to suddenly believe in yourself. Instead, ask God to help you believe what He believes about you. Because when His truth settles within your heart, you'll begin to see yourself through His eyes. And that's where lasting confidence begins. So I'm going to leave you with this. You are His masterpiece. And He loves you. God bless you, my friend.